So we're going to show you how to swap over your airbag into a new top cover. The one we have here is the whiteout. You can get blackout. That means no logo, no stitching. I think it's a really cool look. You can add your own logo to it, or you can get the same logo you see up there, or you can get a T logo. And there is also an option for stitching, so we could do any color leather or Alcantara and any color stitching. So let's just go ahead and get into the video and show you guys how to swap it over. So I do want to say that this is for the Model 3 Highland 2024, and if you look here, the top cover is different as well. You see these little plastic pieces that aren't what's holding it in. It just appears to be to line it up in place. And if you see here, these ridges here, this appears to just be that's supposed to clip onto the airbag itself, the airbag assembly that's inside here. And then if you notice, there are 4 bolts right here, so the 5/16 fit best, and let's go ahead and remove those. So the goal here is to just pull these back, as you see here, pull it back. And this one on top is actually doubled together, so it's a bit stronger. So I found that it's best to use some pliers to get in between there and just hold that and create space. And then you can go ahead and pull all the other ones while removing the airbag and transferring it over. So prying all of these, especially these 2 that sit up here, definitely works. That's the only thing, as you can see, holding it in. Just make sure that you're prying each of these, because just one of them holding on will keep it in place, and it stays nicely tucked. And we're just going to again pry these open and fit it in there, and then put the bolts back. So as I have it removed, I kept everything in place and just line it up with all of the bolts. And then these holes here have to line up with this, so I may have to separate this a little bit. Just make sure no wires are getting pinched when you pull it back. And as you have to do, you definitely need help with this, but obviously pry each one of them, create the space, tuck the bag in, and then line this up in the correct space. And then after that, you put the bolts back on. So after everything is pried and the bag is going in, you will have to separate it a little bit from this cover. Just make sure it's going in nicely, and then the cover can go on after. This clips around the entire airbag, and then the cover is last. So again, I'm pushing the bag, and you can hear the bag start clicking into place. And if you see that, so I'm gonna go ahead and check around and make sure they're all clipped on nicely and in place. So as you see, everything is tucked in nicely and into place. And then this you're gonna want on that half of it, and just go around everything while tucking them in. So as they go on, just make sure again that no wires are getting pinched. And it looks like everything's going into place nicely, and we can go ahead and put the bolts back on. Just make sure this can move, so just make sure it's at the same angle, and watch out for that brown wire to not get pinched. So I'm gonna go ahead and press down. Everything's into place. I saw it clipped, and I'm gonna put the bolts back in. As you see, they're sticking out the same amount as they were before, so just make sure you really have it in before you bolt them on. So there it is, comparing the old airbag top cover to the new top cover with the airbag installed. It's basically just those 4 bolts you see, and you just have to pry this back. As you see, it does get bent, But this is nice because it might actually be easier than the older Model 3 from comparing to the videos. So here's how it looks. I just have a little acrylic badge on it, but I just wanted to show you guys the custom Cybertruck shaped steering wheel. You can customize on kocf.com, or you can go directly to our Tesla site, evcarbonfiber.com.